Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video, I am going to be sharing with you what I am renting from Nuuly for this month. So pretty much everything that I selected for this month is going to be revolving around my spring capsule wardrobe. But if you aren't familiar with Nuuly, it's a clothing rental subscription. You can pause it at any time. It is $88 a month. I do have a referral link down below that will get you $20 off your first month if you are interested in it. But I would highly recommend you go and watch my previous Nuuly unboxings because I have been on this for I think like 7 to 8 months now. It's been really nice to be able to rotate everything in my closet and just keep everything nice and fresh. But they have brands like Free People, Urban Outfitters, LoveShackFancy, For Love and Lemons, Gal Meets Glam, so many amazing brands that I love, and you can also purchase them at a discount, which I have done a few times. It's just been a really good fit for me and I've been enjoying it. So before I start sharing with you when I decided to rent from Nuuly, if this is your very first time here to my channel and you are interested in seeing more romantic fashion, styling videos, unboxings, try-on hauls, I have a spring capsule coming up, shop your closet. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. I do have a new video up for you every Monday and Friday. Wow, it is really hot in here. I need to put the air conditioning units in. All of the shipping is free and they give you a return label in this little bag. This is the most adorable vest. This one is being rented out like crazy. I rented a size large because For Love and Lemons has a tendency to run small. And this fit looks like it's gonna be perfect. So it feels like really good quality. It has some stretch to it. And I love these little flowers on the vest. It has these big chunky buttons too. It is in more of a cropped style and the straps are a little bit thinner. The back is very simple. I really like this little knitting design and the flowers just make it a little bit more girly, I think. They're just really nice to throw on top of a dress if I need just a little tiny extra layer to add just a little bit of warmth or something. Alright, so this next piece is from Free People. This could be used as a tunic, just kind of like an oversized shirt thrown on top of jeans or shorts or something, but it also could be used as a dress as well. But it has these gorgeous balloon sleeves. It has this patchwork style, but it's very, very light. Like it's something that'll be perfect for right now because it almost feels like summer today. It is so hot. And this one I did get brand new, so I'm really excited about that. But it does have smock material in the back. I'm going to show what this looks like on and then continue moving on. This one is from Urban Outfitters. It is a midi dress. It has the most gorgeous puff sleeves, and I can tell this one has been rented a lot, but it still looks like it's in great condition. Like I don't see any rips. It just looks like it's definitely been washed. It does have the ruffled hem at the bottom of it, and this color just makes it perfect for spring. It's got the bright florals, lots of green, just a very pretty, simple dress that's going to be easy to throw on like today when it's really hot. If I do decide to keep anything from this Nuuly, I will let you know at the end of the month because I will return everything in a couple weeks here. So if I really end up falling in love with something, I will purchase it, and I will try to make sure to let you know that I do. I just did a whole review on LoveShackFancy, so if you're interested in that one, I will leave it linked above for you. But they did have a new sweater that just came out from LoveShackFancy, and I was dying to try it out, and also, if I do like it, I can get it at a really good discount. And this one is gorgeous. Like, it is thicker material. Oh my goodness, look at those puff sleeves. I have a crazy obsession with this brand, and like trying to find ways to afford it on a budget. Oh my goodness, it's hard. As soon as I clicked on it, the large had just been all rented out. So I went to the extra large, and this one actually is gonna be fine. It is in a cropped style as well. This sweater is definitely a bit heavy to wear right now, at least for today, but I know the weather is gonna change and it's gonna be cold again. I like the lighter colors too, especially with spring. It has hearts on the sleeve. Such a vintage pattern. This reminds me of something that I've seen at my grandma's house. I'm also so happy that they gave this to me brand new. This is a dress from Free People. I was gonna get the size medium because this is definitely a bit oversized, and I do think that the medium would have been a better choice for me. The only size that they had available left was the large. It does have the button-up style all the way down the dress. It has the ruffles around the neckline. There's some detail on this that just makes it a simple but wearable dress that's perfect for like every day. The outer layer of the dress is definitely a thicker cotton material, and then it does have a little layer underneath that is really soft. It has to be cotton, and I really do keep an eye out for stuff like that because I do have sensitive skin. I am soaking in all this white right now. They are just the best thing from my closet. So this last item I rented because I wanted to buy it. I have rented it like 3 times. I was hoping that it would be a really good price for me to buy, but it's not. They only gave me a 10% discount. And that is not going to cut it. My husband's birthday is in a few weeks, and I'm going to wear this for a little birthday dinner. But this is the Tara dress from LoveShackFancy, and I finally got my hands on it in a size 10. The size 8 was too small, and these run small, so I needed all the help I could get. But it is a gorgeous puff sleeve black maxi dress. It's off the shoulder, it's romantic, it's perfect for our little birthday dinner. But I am going to show you what it looks like on. It is beautiful, and you've probably seen it before if you have been here for a while. that is everything that I'm renting from Nuuly this month, and you will be seeing these throughout the entire month. I'll be styling them, including them in capsules, shop your closet videos, and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon on Friday in my spring capsule.